Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can make money online by giving services of Facebook post design. So first of all, we will check on Fiverr that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I go to Fiverr and here I search the keyword Facebook post. Uh, as you know, Fiverr is a top freelancing platform where you can offer your services and earn money by selling your service. So I type there Facebook post, and as you see, there are 6,702 services available. Means there are 6,702 freelancers giving this service. So as we can see, it starts from $5, $10, and basically they give many packages. We open a gig of the first seller, and we will see how he offer. So in first basic package, he only make one social media post design with free stock photo or your photo provided by you. After that, in standard package, it will charge $25 and make 5 social media posts, and in premium it take 10 $50 and make 10 social media post design. So you can see there is demand. This is a very high competition and niche in Fiverr, so you can easily learn this skill and start giving your services on Fiverr. So let's go to Canva. I will teach you how you can create this post design in Canva. So we will search in search bar Facebook post. It show us different templates. So we will choose this post template and it will loading. So we can use these templates or we can make our own. So I click on create a blank Facebook post and it will appear in the next window. So we will wait for a second so it load the page, and then we will start making our post. So I am making this from scratch. You can easily use these templates, or you can search here template like you want to create on food, so you can uh, type here food, so it will show different food templates. If you don't know about these things like this sidebar panel, top bar panel, so I will put the link of the Canva playlist in description, or you can search this playlist from my channel, so you can easily understand these things. So now I click on this and change the background color black. That's it. And I have to write eat, sleep, repeat, and I select text. Here I write eat, I duplicate this by pressing Control C and Control V, and I place it here, and again I copy this and place it here. So I change this text in sleep, eat, sleep, I want to change the color like yellow. That's it. Eat, sleep, repeat. And I align all this text to center. Wait a minute. That's so. Eat, sleep, and repeat. And after that, I if you want to add some element, you can also add element like I write lazy. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel, and I am uploading more videos on Canva, from which you can sell services on Fiverr and earn money online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and goodbye.